Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to sync your Google Calendar with your scheduling settings. It's a quick process that only takes a few steps. First, head over to the Integrations and Apps section from your main dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your calendar connections. You'll see several integration options here. Go ahead and click on Calendars to view your calendar connection options. From the available calendar services, select Google Calendar. This will start the connection process. Hit the Connect button to begin linking your Google account. This will redirect you to Google's authorization page. Now you'll need to pick which Google account you'd like to sync. Select the account that has the calendar you want to use for scheduling. Google will show you a confirmation screen. Click Continue to move forward with the authorization. You'll need to grant permission for the calendar integration to work properly. Click Allow to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Perfect! Your Google Calendar is now connected and will automatically sync with your availability settings. Any changes you make will be reflected in both calendars. You're all set! Your calendar integration is now active and ready to use. Feel free to go through this guide again anytime you need a refresher.